Hello everybody and welcome back to Revisiting RWBY. Today we're reacting to Volume 2, Chapter 3, Minor Hiccup. Now if memory serves me correct, this is the episode where Team RWBY gets their temporary stealth mission outfits and they are going to go investigate the White Fang. I believe that's everything that happens in this episode. Unless it's over the span of the next 2 episodes. That could be it. I don't really remember. But, yeah, with last episode, we left off with Blake being a depressed kitty for very good reasons. She's sad to see her fellow Faunas, even if they are working for the White Fang, working for Roman. And also, we got to see a little bit more of Neptune, and, we also saw Cinder, Emerald, and Mercury making their way into Beacon, which 2 of them make sense. Cinder, on the other hand, I don't know how she's passing for a teenager when she's in her mid-20s, but whatever. Anyways, let's get into Chapter 3 of Volume 2 in 3, 2, 1, and play. VIZ. Still really hate how you can't see Ruby's eyes because of the VIZ Media logo blurring everything. Really think that really bugs me. I really like this intro. It's not my... I mean, visually, it actually might be my favorite intro in terms of visuals. Song-wise, I'm not so sure. But I really do like this intro because you get to see, like, pretty much every character. And you just have some really cool visuals going on. It's just really cool. Alrighty, let's see where we go. 3:59. Oh, hey, Port. No, Jean, she's not interested. Jean, she's not interested. She's not interested. She's not interested. Yeah, you did. Uh-huh. Alright, Port. She did. She doesn't care. No, not one day. Yep, stealth outfits. I don't know how I feel about these outfits. Like, Ruby's I like. Weiss is kind of just her normal outfit, just instead of blue, it's black. Yang's is pretty nice. Blake's is okay. I don't know, they're okay outfits. They're not my favorite, though. Yep. Shouldn't be a problem at all. Yep. Sounds great. And hey, son. Yeah, that's... Yeah, creepy. Yeah, without you. Yeah. Hey, Neptune. Uh-huh. Yeah, I don't... So yeah, you're afraid of water, Neptune, but you're not afraid of super hot... Oh. Thank you. Nope. No. Nope. Nope. No. Thank you, RWBY. Take your girlfriend. Seriously, I really hated the whole Weiss having a crush on Neptune story plot. I hated that because they don't really work, and I guess they do resolve that later this volume, but like I just hated that whole thing. You love her, RWBY. RWBY, you love her. Yeah, but Penny! Hey, Penny. Yeah, she knows. Yeah. Yeah. Penny. Well, RWBY abandoned her girlfriend to go talk to her other girlfriend. Penny. Oh, they are. Trust me. You'll see next volume. Alrighty. I do wish we could see more of these towers because they do have cool designs. Like, I do like them. It's just, like, we've seen this one. We saw like the exterior of the Haven one, I'm pretty sure. We haven't been to Vacuo officially yet in the series. I mean, we have, but like we haven't like explored it. But I don't think we saw the Atlas one. Yeah, I wish we could see a little bit more of these CTT towers. Thank you. Yeah. Absolutely not. Nope, we're good. Yeah, short list. Uh-huh. School project? Yeah. Yeah, she's Vaishni. Thank you. No, absolutely not. Because he sucks. We hate him. Also, why did Penny have to go to Vale to talk? Yes, you do. Well, I guess she doesn't know about those specifically. No. Just her father was kind of upset. But you did. Yeah, he does. He created you, so... Well, I guess it works either way, but... Definitely created you. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah, that's... Was it Ironwood? It was Ironwood, I'm pretty sure. Uh-huh. Yes, it is. It is so weird. It is really weird seeing Ironwood without a beard. Honestly, the Elysian Knight 200 is a better design. It looks cooler. A bit, yeah. Just wait till they get red visors next volume. Yep. Uh-huh. Yeah, the Elysian Paladin. Totally won't go evil on you. It is really weird seeing... She doesn't want to be caught by Atlas. But it is really weird seeing Ironwood without a beard. I'm so used to seeing him with the beard that he looks weird without it. Honestly, I don't like him with... Ugh. Some conveniently placed crates. RWBY just wall riding like a badass. I love her. Gotta make sure to keep your stamina up, RWBY. Work on your pedal bursting a bit. Uh-oh. Hey, Dutch. Hey, Dutch shopkeep, I mean. Yeah, he's fine. He has a lot of jobs. Oh, and her skin just, yeah, she's fine. For the most part, her skin just tore. Yeah, she did. I'm surprised we haven't seen Penny do anything that strong. I guess we did. Never mind, we do see that in, like, volume 8, I think. She's an android. Penny. Yeah, she would. Yeah, of course she is. Best friends. Best friends, Penny. Oh, is that where we're ending it? Oh, wow, that's where we end it. Oh, wow. I was not actually expecting them to end it there. I was fully expecting them to have that conversation then end it. That is next episode, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, and if memory serves correctly, I think next episode they also fight a prototype of the Elysian mech suit. Paladin, sorry. Yeah, I kind of forgot that Ironwood really didn't want Penny to talk to anyone because she is technically probably the strongest and most, like, useful unit in the Atlas army. But, yeah, yeah. And then I think, so yeah, this episode we focused on RWBY and Weiss. Next episode, we should be going to see Blake and Sun infiltrate the White Fang, and then Yang and Neptune going to talk to Junior and the Malachite twins. I think, anyway. And then they also might, they either run into Neo next episode or after the dance, the prom night. I don't remember which one, but we'll see. But good episode. Nothing too, well, we got reintroduced to Penny, which is nice. But yeah, I do I'm very excited for the more towards the end of the season, because that's where the stuff I really do remember more action happening. Like, I remember they fight the Elysian Paladin in either the next episode or the episode after that. And then we have the prom dance. And then we have all of the Mountain Glen stuff. But that's really all I remember. So Volume 2 has some memorable moments in it. It is also the volume I remember the least. But I'm excited to see what happens next. But I hope you guys enjoyed this reaction. If you did, make sure you leave a like and comment. Here in a moment, we'll full playlist of all of my revisiting RWBY reactions. As this video, YouTube recommends for all you absolutely amazing, wonderful people. But until next time, I'll see you later.